Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PixVerse AI image to video. Want to turn your image into video with PixVerse AI? In this video, I'll show you easy and simple step. The first step is open PixVerse AI app. Make sure you are already installed or logged into your PixVerse AI app. Then open PixVerse AI app. Then tap on template icon, and here you will see the many templates. Then click on anyone on it. Then click on use template. After click on it, here you will see the choose the photo from your gallery and tap on create option. After creating, here you will see the your options like your video is generating, and you will see after generating go to your mine section like bottom right corner, then click on it, and here you will see the your new video and tap on the video and make sure your video to make it's your look perfect. Tap export or download your image to video it, and then if you want to download or export, tap on the download option and your image video is ready. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.